Hey, how's it going, guys? I know it's been a while, but I'm back. I'm gonna do an oil change and just some maintenance on the Miata. It's been painted, so I know it's been a minute, but she is painted now. What you will need: oil filter, air filter. They're really cheap. Get one. Don't get these oil filters. Terrible. Flashlight, might need that. Oil. STP, full synthetic, not too bad. High mileage, I think. All these were a bundle for like 20 bucks. It's 25, I think. Antifreeze, had some laying around. Thermostat and gasket, I think this is like 10 bucks. Funnel, screwdriver, pliers, socket and wrench. 3/4 and a 12, I think, is all you're gonna need. This is all you will need. Let's get to work. There's the drain bolt right there. You're gonna need something to put it in. Got this down here already. Kick that on under there. That's pretty dark oil. I don't see no shavings in there, so we good. And this oil is not even that old. This is like 3,500 at most. This is not even 4,000. So that is pretty dark. I don't know why, but I always, keep up with the maintenance on this car. But man, that oil be coming out dark as hell. Because one time I did an oil change pretty early and it still be coming out dark. But it's running good, so that's all that matters. Yeah, never put these in dry. That's a rule. Can't do that. So get some new oil. Put it on there. Get it nice and lubed up. People say you can even like fill it up, but like mine's mounted like this. I fill it up, it's all gonna fall. So I can't really do that. I would. My truck I could. I couldn't do it in this car. So yeah, lube it up a little bit. Bam, ready to go. Got it in. Make sure that thing's pretty tight. Not too tight though. Alright, oil's good to go. Put that back on. Alright, so we're good to go with the oil. I checked it, everything's cool. Now we can move on to doing the thermostat. So we gotta take off this hose, these two clamps right here, pull this out and it'll come off. And then we're gonna take off this hose to right here. Well, actually, we're just gonna take off right here and we can probably pop it up. And there's the thermostat back in there, so that's why you gotta take this out. Still pretty good condition. All right, we're good to go with that. All right, so it's running pretty good right now. I got everything buttoned up. It's smoking a little bit from right here. I spilled a little bit of it. The fans just kicked on too. I spilled a little bit of it, so it's just burning it off right now. But yeah, it's running good. I want to put in aluminum radiator coming up soon, but everything's running pretty good, solid, good daily. Stay tuned for more, guys. We got a lot more coming up. Gonna paint the valve cover soon.